Hey there, gamers and community builders in Egypt. Are you tired of being blocked from Discord and missing out on all the fun? Well, guess what? We've got a surprise solution for you at the end of this video. Mena VPN is here, the ultimate tool for unblocking Discord and connecting with your community hassle-free. Let's dive into how Mena VPN can help you reclaim your Discord experience. Here's the scoop. 1. Download and install Mena VPN using the discount code in the description. 2. Open the app, sign in, and choose a server location outside Egypt. 3. Connect to the server and launch Discord. Get ready to chat, game, and connect with your community without any restrictions. But wait, there's more! Mena VPN offers lightning-fast speeds, robust security features, and reliable performance to enhance your Discord experience to the max. Don't let geo-blocks limit your online community. Use the discount code in the description to get Mena VPN for free. Reclaim your Discord experience and stay connected with Mena VPN today.